Myself, Prajwal, from the Computer Science Department. The subject is full stack development. The topic we are going to discuss about the template tag in the Django. The template tag is a fundamental concept in the Django web framework. It allows developers to separate the presentation layer from the application logic, making web development more modular and maintainable. Syntax for using template tags. In Django, template tags are used to add dynamic functionality to your HTML templates. They allow you to embed Python code with your HTML, enabling you to display variables, perform conditional logic, and iterate over data. The syntax for using template tag is enclosed within curly braces and percent signs. Like template types can be used for variety of purposes, such as accessing model data, rendering includes, and applying filters to data. They provide a powerful way to create dynamic, reusable templates that can be easily maintained and updated as your application grows. Example, displaying a variable. Accessing variables. In Django templates, you can display the value of variable using the double curly braces syntax. This allows you to dynamically render data from your Django view in your template, making your web pages more dynamic and interactive. Passing data to the templates. To display a variable in your template, you first need to pass the data from your Django view to the template. You can do this by including the variable in the context dictionary that is sent to the template when rendering the page. Dynamically updating the content. Using template variable allow you to dynamically update the content of your web pages without having to manually update the HTML. This makes your website more flexible and easier to maintain, as you can simply update the data in your Django view and let the template handle the rendering. Conditional statements. Django template language provides powerful conditional statements that allow you to display content based on certain conditions. This is particularly useful when you need to show or hide elements on your web pages, depending on the data being rendered. The most common condition tag is if tag, which tag which allows you to check for a specific value or expression and execute different code blocks based on the result. You can also use elif and else block to handle multiple conditions. Looping through a list. In Django templates, you can loop through a list or other iteratable data structure using the for tag. This allows you to dynamically display a variable number of items, such as a list of block posts of or products listing. The for tag is paired with the end for tag, and you can access each item in the loop using a variable name of your choice. You can also use additional template tags and logic inside the loop to conditionally display content or perform calculation. Extending a base template. Reusing template structure. In Django, you can create a base template that contains the common structure and elements shared across multiple pages. Child templates can then extend these base templates, allowing you to reuse the layout and focus on customizing the content for each page. Inheritance and overriding. The child template inherit the structure and feature of the base template, but they can also override specific sections or blocks with the base templates. This gives you the flexibility to the customize the content and layout while maintaining a consistent look and feel across your application. Practical implication. In practice, you would create a base.html file that contains the overall structure, and then you individually templates and would extend this base template and override the necessary blocks to incorporate their unique content. This approach promotes code reuse and maintainability in your Django project, including a template. In Django, you can also include template tag to insert the content of the template into another. This is powerful way to create reusable components and maintain a consistent look and feel across your application. These include takes the name of the template file m as an argument and renders it at the point in the template. This allow you to break your template into a smaller, more manageable pieces that can be easily shared and update across your projects. Filtering data in the Django templates. Django template language provides powerful filtering capabilities, allowing you to transform and manipulate data before displaying it in your templates. This gives you fine-grained control over the presentation of information, ensuring your views are well organized and easy to understand for your users. One common use case for filters is formatting data, such as converting a datetime object to more readable string or rounding a numerical value to a specific number of decimal places. Filters can also be chained together to create complex transformation, making your template more expensive and maintainable. Performing simple calculation. Django Template Engine provides powerful tools for performing basic mathematical operations with the use of template tags. You can quickly add simple calculation to your web pages, enhancing the dynamic nature of your application. Whether you need to display the sum difference product or quotient of two values, the template language makes it easy to integrate this calculation seamlessly into your HTML templates. These templates allows you to create more interactive and responsive view users experiences without the need for complex server-side logic. Advantages of using template tags. Separation of concerns. Template tag help maintain a clear separation between the application logic and the presentation layer, making the code base more organized and easier to maintain. Reusability. Template tag allow you to create reusable components that can be easily incorporated into multiple pages, promoting code reuse and consistent through your web application. Improve readability. By encapsulating complex logic with template tag, your HTML template become more usable and easier to understand, making it simpler for other developers to collaborate on the project. Enhance flexibility. Template tags provide a flexible and powerful way to dynamically generate content, allowing you to adapt your application to changing in requirement without extensive modification to the underlying code. Thank you. I'm going to explain the code regarding the for template tag, where I've created the uh, project name as FSD assignment and the start project start app as blog, where I defined models.py, and this is a view.py, blog URL, project urls.py, where I've created the templates, and here is the HTML file post list, where I've used Tailwind for designing the text, and here is the execution. Entering to admin panel, where I can create posts, where it gets posted here. Here is the admin panel. Here is the template tag for post in post.